Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to get a CoinSpot Mastercard so you can spend your crypto like cash. It's free and easy to set up. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on any important information and make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, the first thing you need to do is head over to your Player App Store and make sure CoinSpot is updated to the latest version. Once that is done, go ahead and click on CoinSpot and then you'll be brought to your dashboard, and from here down the bottom you will see a card. Click on card. And now to get a CoinSpot Mastercard to use on purchase online and in store, you need to apply for a CoinSpot Mastercard. So you need to contact support to get set up. So to do that, click on the view the CoinSpot card help article and then scroll down near the bottom of the page here, and then it will say apply for a CoinSpot card. And this is after you've done your verification photo process and you got TFA enabled on your account and you got fund your CoinSpot account. So you must hold a crypto balance in order to use your CoinSpot Mastercard. And if this doesn't work right, head up here and then you can contact the support team by clicking here and then put in your email address, subject, your ticket category, and add in the description of what's happening, why you can't sign up to the CoinSpot Mastercard program, and then click on submit. So yeah, that's it for this video guys, how to sign up for a CoinSpot Mastercard. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful.